Hey guys, welcome to goOgluCk. So in this Python series we will learn about Python variable. Let's discuss them one by one. So, how do you think the values assign? Well, for assigning the values there are two different methods. First is assigning single value to a variable, and the next is assigning multiple values to a variable. So let's start with assigning single value to a variable. You know what? Unlike Java or C++, you don't have to add any data type for a variable. Just specify the name of the variable. For example, a equals 20. So depending on your data, Python will automatically detect the data type of a variable, which in this case is integer. Let's see other examples. Suppose we have a name as a goOgluCk. So Python will automatically detect that this name variable is of data type string since it stored the string value. Next we have salary as 3000.3. So since 3000.3 is nothing but a floating type, so automatically Python will detect that salary is of data type float. You don't have to specify a data type to a variable. Let me just show you this example in our Jupyter notebook. For example, I need to store an integer value. So I'll name a variable like a equal 20, a is integer, and I'm not specifying any data type for it. Right? Hit Shift Enter. Since no error is appearing, so I guess it's correct. But what if I just write int equal 20? As you can see, it gave me an invalid syntax, so you cannot use any data type before a variable. Alright. Next, what if I want to store a string variable? Just like name equal goOgluCk. Similarly, for our floating data type salary or any variable name equal 3000.3. As simple as that. So now that you have learned how you can assign a value to a variable, let's see how you can have multiple assignment to a same variable. So, let's suppose you are assigning three variables as a equal 20, b equal 20 and again c equals 20. So here we have three variables, and what you have to do, you have to assign the same value to all of them. So instead of assigning value one by one, what you can just write? You can just write a equal b equal c equal 20. And it will be executed without any error. Fine. Now this was simple. Now what if you have to assign different value to each variable? For example, I have a variable as x equal 30, y equal 40 and z equal 50. So in this case, what you can do for multiple assignment? You can just write x, y, z equal 30, 40, 50. It's as simple as that. Now let me just print any of the two variables and check if we are correct or not. So let's print y and let's print a. So we got the output as 40 and 10. Y equals 40 and a equals 20. Even if you want, you can just check by updating the value like a equal b equals c equal 10. And this is make it something else like 15 and 25. And now print the value of y and a, so you'll get the value as 10 and 15. Alright. So this was about the assigning single value to a variable. We also learned about assigning multiple values to a variable. A equal b equal c equal 20. In this example we already did, right? And we got the output as 40 and 20. So guys, that would be all for this video. I hope it helped and answer some of your questions. But if you still have any doubts, do leave a comment for us, we'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this session.